Alright, I'm going to try to explain this right quick. This is a new 2-in-1 uh, basically notebook with keyboard that I got from a distributor, and I can sell for a pretty decent price. Now these will be sold for $249 and $279 depending on what color it is. It comes with a keyboard, the screen, it's touch, it's got USB connections and headphones and all the normal kind of stuff. But we use these for uh, demonstration purposes when you go out in the field. So when you get one of these, I will have it already programmed such that it acts like one of your ad servers that you have, and in this case it will be the demo one. So let's say you have 10 ad servers or 3. You'll also have now a 99, which is a demo. That way it's not out in the field, but it only works with the tablet. Now it can be configured to work with one of your machines, but if you change it here, you'll be changing it there. So the demo's a better thing for you, so you can go out and use it as a demo unit and make your sales. So when it will come fresh, where you will have to activate Windows and all that kind of good stuff. And I'll tell you a secret: when you turn on and activate it yourself, don't pick the Wi-Fi adapter until you're completely done. That way it won't ask you to log in with a Windows login. Just let it go through. Don't say you don't have Wi-Fi, and then just let it go through. Then come back when it's all done and add your Wi-Fi connection. I found that out when I was doing all my stuff. Alright, so you'll get this, and you'll get a thumb drive, and that thumb drive will already have all the software you need to install. Now I can install it for you, but I would rather have you install it because it will have your name, your login, and all that kind of good stuff. Or I can do it whereas I just set it up with your name and with no password, and it'll all be ready to go, and then you can just change it when you get it. So first you just plug this in. Well, let's see, first we'll turn it on. I had it on and went to sleep. So it comes up with Windows. In your case, if it's not like this, it will come up and ask you all the questions to install Windows with your own name and stuff. You plug in the little USB drive. You'll see it recognizes it. And then the first thing we'll do is we'll go over here and look at it by browsing it. It'll be the D drive now. And well, how you like that? I don't have the software on this machine. Let me use the other one. I think I have it on a different USB drive. Here we go. So let me do the same thing, but in this case, take that guy out of there. This is the one I need, because this one has the software on it. I just want to walk you through it. Plug that in. And alright, same D drive. Let's open that up. Notice I have a whole bunch of stuff on there. In your case, it'll probably have 3 or 4 files on it. The first one we want is the VLC, which we can get online, but I put it in here. Install that. This is the video driver software I use in the billboard system. It's open source, that way they can keep it updated instead of me. Alright, so we're going to walk through the install. You might not be able to see what's on the screen. Let me see if I can let you see what's literally on the screen. It's a little bright by the camera. Oh, I can't see it. But anyway, it's doing the installation of the VLC part. And when it's finished, finish that. And we'll just continue with that. And the first thing we want to do is check to see if it has updates. In this case it might, and it does. And we're going to say okay with that. And install it. You just shut down the old one and reinstall it. So we're going to upgrade it. Should take a few minutes, not even. And we're about 50% there. Well, it jumped up to 70-some%. Alright, we're going to finish it. And it ran it, so that's good. But then we'll just close it. That software's installed. Then the next thing we'll install is the dam setup. In this case, instead of dam setup, we're going to install the dam control panel setup. Okay, because this machine will be the control panel. That's what you'll use remotely. Install that one. Alright. Takes longer just to recognize it than it does to install it. Alright, that's done. And we won't reboot right now. It will ask that, but I don't want to do it yet. And we'll also install the dam live setup. And in my case, well, in this case, it'll be in place, but it won't be set to auto run. That way you can actually use it for your demonstration purposes when you want to, or use it for, you know, your billing and all that stuff, even taking credit cards and all that. And don't just wake up as a billboard, although it has the ability to be one. Install this. We'll just put Sarah here. Alright. Now that's finished. And now it's set up. Now I'm going to do something else here because this one wasn't set up quite like that. I'm going to set this one up in settings so it equals the network that it's going to be on. In this case, we have to change rename the PC itself. And this one would be 9. Because I'm actually setting this up for a client. We'll restart it now. Now we can restart it all. And we can take the thumb drive out now. We don't need it anymore. That would be something you can use, you know, down the road. It's easier for me to send it on one of those, so you can use it for something. You can actually use that thumb drive to make it a D drive and make it run without the internet. So that's another way you can do it. Alright, we're rebooting now. So I have the screen a little blurred so you won't see some of the information. This is actually a client's machine. And I'm actually setting up before I send it out. Alright. Now it's going to try to fire up the software, but I'm going to stop that. This would be normally how it would be. So it's negotiating. And there it went. So it's trying to be a billboard now, so I'm just going to cancel that. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control Alternate Delete. Go to the Task Manager. Do more details. Go to Startup. And turn off. This one it says Digital Advertising Media. We'll disable it. And then from this point forward, it will not run automatically, but this icon can start it when necessary. Okay? And that's about it. Till next time, I'll see you later.